I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Measure 1 cup quinoa, 5 cups water, 1 tablespoon neutral oil, and 1/4 teaspoons salt. Rinse quinoa in a fine mesh strainer under cold running water for about 20 seconds, rubbing with your fingers to remove bitter saponins. Toast the drained quinoa in the saucepan for 1 minute over medium heat with the oil to deepen flavor. Add 1.5 cups water and salt, bring to a rolling boil, then reduce to low. Cover and simmer for 12 minutes exactly. Turn off heat and let rest, covered. If you want speed, use an Instant Pot or microwave to cut active time. For Instant Pot, combine 1 cup rinsed quinoa with 1 cup water, seal and cook on high pressure for 1 minute, then allow a 10-minute natural pressure release before opening. For microwave, use 1 cup rinsed quinoa and 2 cups water in a lidded microwave-safe bowl. Cook on high for 10 to 12 minutes until water is absorbed. In both methods, let the pot or bowl stand covered for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork to finish. Once quinoa is fluffed, finish with bright and easy flavor. Stir in 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt adjustment, and 2 tablespoons chopped herbs or 1 clove minced garlic as desired. 1 cup dry quinoa yields roughly 3 cups cooked, enough for several meals. Cool quickly, store in an airtight container and refrigerate up to 5 days or freeze portions up to 3 months. To reheat, add 1 tablespoon water per cup of quinoa. Cover and steam gently until warmed through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.